Hello, Xavier here, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually doing an anime figurine showcase. Now, originally in the video recorded, the audio was really, one, loud, and two, it was very, uh, it was just off and bad. So I'm just going to do a voiceover while I already just talk about the video I made. Now, as you can see here, I have Ochako Uraraka from the My Hero Academia franchise. I'm doing an unboxing. This figurine I bought from Hobby Lobby for about $39.99, but if you are interested in this figurine, you can check it out over at, I believe, Crunchyroll for like $10 to $8 less if you're interested. So check it out there. It is one of those textured figurines, which is really cool. And here I'm just checking to make sure everything's fine, explaining that it's a pretty good size. That's why I put it right next to the box. And here I'm just looking at it, making sure everything is completely fine, making sure it's intact, you know, letting you guys know, yeah, this is a legit figure, even though I don't know what the difference is yet, for now. Alright, and here I start cutting the bag, that way I can just showcase it and actually show you guys how everything is. So I'm going to show it close up, I believe. Yeah, there it is. So you'll show it close up. The camera is a little bit off. I do have to get like a better at recording with a camera like this, because I'm used to just having my usual PC setup. But yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit blurry, at least for me at least. But yeah, that's Ochako Uraraka. Yeah, I'm gonna just get the base. Now, I do like to mention that I like my bases to have like some type of background to them, or just a really cool creative base. But here's Ochako Uraraka from the My Hero Academia. It is a figurine made by Bandai, so it is a legit figurine, that I can tell you that much. But yeah, here it is. This is Ochako Uraraka from the My Hero Academia. I am very pleased with the figurine. It turned out really well, and I definitely can't wait to put her up on a display later on, and then I can show you guys at some point. But yeah, here I'm just showing you the difference between, or the comparison between my hand and Ochako. Next up is Tomioka from the Demon Slayer anime, or manga, you know. But this one I got from GameStop. I completely forgot how much it cost. If I do remember, I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, this is a figurine made also by Bandai, as you can see there. So it is a legit figure, and it was a pretty cool figurine. I already saw it in person, obviously. I did buy it from GameStop. They had it on display. But it was a very cool figurine. I was like, you know what, let me get it, because I love figurines with a background on it, and I just can't express that enough. But yeah, I love my figurines to have some form of creative platforms, not just a flat platform. Or just in general, just a really cool background. Like Tomioka's background was really nice. I think it caught the vibe of the Demon Slayer anime very well. And hey, if you guys aren't checking it out, season 2 is out now. But you do have to watch the movie or the 7-episode series. Check that out. But here I'm just going to unbox it. It didn't take too long to unbox. Obviously, it was already opened, technically. But here is Tomioka. And yeah, it's a pretty good size. I'm not even going to lie. I'm pretty satisfied with it. The sword is being unsheathed right now, which is really cool. I'm just looking to make sure there's no it's not damaged or anything, you know. And here I'm picking up the top, well, the stand, which is really nice. I love this stand. It's a little bit translucent in the background, so it's really cool. And here's me putting it together. It looks so amazing. I'm really happy about this one. This one is by far one of my favorite ones that I'm going to be showcasing today, which is really cool because, again, I cannot wait to put this baby up. It just looks amazing. I'm just trying to show you guys the translucent background, and as well as the figurine there. It's really nice to put the light on and off so that way you guys can see every detail, if any at all. But yeah, really satisfied with this one. I suggest getting it if you're a fan of Demon Slayer, and especially Tomioka himself. Alright, so next we have Alphonse Elric from the Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood series. Specifically Brotherhood, because I love that series. But yeah, I'm just checking the box, looking at who it's made by, and I forgot completely by my mind what this one was. But let me see whenever I showcase it. what it's made. What it's made from. Okay, it's made by two different companies. I see something smile there. It's very hard to see with the camera, so I apologize, guys. But is it Doduo or I don't know, but I'll put it up on the screen. That's pretty much what I mentioned with the little finger right there. But yeah, I'll put it up on the screen right there. I also forgot how much this one costs, but it's also on Crunchyroll. I don't know if it's there anymore because when I looked back, I didn't see it. But I'll put the price on there for you guys. Really cool. It took a while to come just because Crunchyroll is having a bit of a, I want to say shortage or maybe just shipping problems right now, and it just takes a while. They do mention that whenever you're shopping for Crunchyroll figurines, so keep that in mind. But here I am unboxing my boy Alphonse. I'm really happy about this figurine. It came out really well. You'll see, I'll be explaining that as well. But let's start unboxing this beauty. Yeah, so so unboxing these guys. They are all taped up, so I can guarantee you that they do care about the figurines. They make sure with their full with their full energy, they will tape down these things just so they come in really good condition. I'll probably skip this part. It takes a while for me to actually cut all these, so I'll skip all that. So here I actually finally got it open. And here we are with Alphonse Elric. I'm really happy about it. It's a really good size too. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it is actually a really good size. I believe this one was $39.99 if I'm not mistaken, not that I do remember that. But like I said, I'll put the price on there. The platform is just plain, but it does have some type of like leveling to it. A very slight leveling to it, but it's still very nice. I think I showcase it. Yeah, I do. Okay. It's also very translucent color. Not as translucent as the Tomioka background, but still there. Can I just mention the figurine? This figurine had one of the by far the best textures for any of the ones I got, which is amazing. So texture-wise, this is like the best one, just because. And I do showcase it real quick. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I do mention that the metal on Alphonse's suit. Oh my goodness, it has so much good detail. Like it doesn't feel like metal, but it looks like metal, and it's really cool. Just because they really went all out with the figurine details on this one, it really does look like metal, and you can see some like detailing to where it looks like there's some bumps and bruises on there, which is really cool. I really love that part about it. But yeah, I just like immediately got baffled by that. I just couldn't speak. It was really nice. Here I'm gonna be putting the plate on in the other bottom. And now for his hair, because you know you can't have his hair without putting it on. You know, I have a little hard time also with the hair because they do tape it down as well. So like again, they do care about the figurine, and I definitely recommend getting this one if you are an Alphonse fan. Alright, so I finally got the piece of hair out. It took me quite a while, and now you actually just attach it to the top. There's a hole on the top of the helmet where you can actually attach it. I think it takes me a while to actually put it on. I have to figure out. I actually have to lift up the figurine to put it in. You have to put it in a certain angle, that's why. But at the end of the day, it all looks all too amazing, and it's amazing. I'm really happy about this one. It came out nicer than I expected it. I am not gonna lie about that, and it's really cool. But yeah, it's just amazing. I'm always baffled by the amount of texture they added on this figurine, and it's just amazing. It even shines like metal, which is amazing. Just looking at it through the camera like that, wow, it does shine like metal as well. But yeah, if you guys look at it close up, which you don't see in this video, it's very amazing. Now it's time for my boy Senku, Ishigami Senku from the Dr. Stone series, where I'm still waiting for another season. I love this one. I think it's the biggest one I got besides Tomioka. So this is amazing. I just like when I saw this, I was like amazing. I think it was like 75 something, but there is a 4-week payment that you can do if you don't have the money right away. So I paid for about like I'd say like 20-ish. I don't know, I don't remember, but it's still good. I recommend it. Also on Crunchyroll, by the way, and it is I believe Bandai as well, if I'm not mistaken. Bandai, yeah, it's Bandai. There you go. Really good figurine. I've seen other people with it as well, so it is highly recommended if you're a big Dr. Stone fan, especially Ishigami, which is amazing. But here, let's unbox it. It is a pretty big figurine. The box inside is also very nice. I think I do also try to display the box, which is really cool. So it can be used as like a little display if you have it as well. But I think I mentioned that. Yeah, there you go. See, the box is really nice. It's nice blue with like a sky on the top, which is really nice. Now it's time for the unboxing of it. This one also has tape, so I'll just cut to the part where I open it. Right here, so here we are, finally opening up Ishigami Senku, and can I just say, I can't mention this enough, they really care about their figurines. They had a plastic wrap around them, which is amazing. Even, they don't really need to do that, but I found it really interesting that they did that, which is amazing. Just the figurine itself, it's amazing just looking at it from now. I love it. The little flag is also separate, so you do have to attach that. It took me a while to get out. I was struggling a little bit to take it out. I had to actually pull the paper like that. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I know there's another piece to it right there, the little stick. It took me a while to get that one out because, yeah, it's just, I don't know why it was so hard for me, but yeah, it was hard. I was really trying to get it at from different angles, but I did get it. You have to connect the flags together, for sure. And I think I was trying to put them in together. It was a little bit harder, I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of hard to put the flags together, especially when you have to put it in the hand. I was just trying to, I thought you have to do it from the top, and then I was like, wait, no, you have to do it separately. I didn't want to break the figurine or snap the flag, so I'll get to the part where I actually put together the flag on the figurine. Alright, so here we are. After I believe like 5 minutes of trying to put the damn flag in, I was able to finally put it in, and it looks so amazing. I'm so baffled by this figurine. The attention to detail is amazing, but it has a satchel which moves slightly. That is meant to be like that, just letting you guys know. There's also the little flask in the bottom, which I do point out right under him. There you go. Which is really cool. I like the attention to detail. The rocks look amazing. The smoke is really cool. It's like a very translucent smoke, but hey, it works out. It's really cool. It's not 100% translucent. I think it's just a little bit lighter, but as you can see, the attention to detail is amazing. The art, they really captured the art style of the show, so I can tell you that much. Now let's move on with our other 3 figurines. Alright, so like I said, these are the other 3 figurines right here. Yeah, this one I got from a website that I'm going to put up on screen. I'm pretty sure this is not a legit website. I may be wrong, but I paid a certain amount, which I'm also going to put on screen, for 3 different figurines. When I saw the box, I was like, wait, this is supposed to be 3 figurines for this price? I was like, okay, something's up. Now, I mentioned in this one, right, this one is, yeah, the hand was missing. The hand of, I believe it was the left hand that was missing. And then, yeah, I did mention that the left hand was missing. I found the left hand right next to the face, right there. I did mention it right there, there you go. So I was like, okay, this one came broken, which kind of sucked. I was really disappointed in that. So already, it didn't come in the boxes they're supposed to come in. That's one of them. The next one is pretty small. You can tell, obviously, all these are pretty much, I believe, they're fake. Unless they actually make figures like this. That, or they're just poorly made. Second figurine, very small. I think this one you actually have to put at the edge of something for it to actually look good, because it's literally just, you have to have the legs, you know, dangling down. But it's not too bad. You can clearly tell, like, I think I talk about it here. You can, if you look at it very closely, you can see like the hair is very flimsily made by cheap plastic, and you can see little bits of the hair just sticking out, like they forgot to take those little bits off, kind of like if you just got it out of the machine basically, or something like that. So that's one thing. Yeah, and I do mention you have to put it at the sides like that for it to actually look good. Alright, so here I do decide to open the first figurine up. I originally didn't want to open it, but yeah, I decided just to open it because why not? I kept the entire thing, and I believe I pick up the thing and the platform falls and I have to go pick it up. Yeah, here's the hand. There's the hand. It's detached, so it's quote unquote broken. Alright, so here I try my best to actually put the thing in the platform, the figurine in the platform. It was actually pretty hard, surprisingly. but at the end I did get it, and it stands nicely. I'm not 100% disappointed with this one, and you'll see why later. Because the thing that I was most disappointed about is obviously the ears right there. As you can see, they're supposed to stand up, but since they were wrapped in a bag, they kind of just they got stuck in that position. I'm pretty sure you can just do the same thing if you want to make them stand up. Make sure they stand up in a good time. But here I mentioned the hand is missing again, and the hair also very cheaply made as well. I believe I grabbed the hand, and since it is cheaply made, I literally just popped the hand back in. I believe I'll showcase that very soon. I'm not sure when. I'm just talking about the figurines, you know, uneven edges and stuff like that. Here we go with the hand. I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you guys. So at least it doesn't look broken now, you know, now that the hand is gonna be attached, and it does look fairly better like that. From far away you'll be like, oh, that's a nice figurine, but up close and personal, when you feel the actual hair and you look at the little gashes in some of the sections, you can clearly tell it's most likely fake or very just cheaply made. But overall it'll look nice like from far away. And this one is just hilarious. It came in a very small box. I was disappointed, but I was laughing from it just because of what it was. And it's just small. Now I have its back turned for a good reason for now. I do turn it around, but as you can see, it's got some big boobas, alright? And here's the funny part. It's got springs. You can't see them, but yeah, you can actually flick it and it just moves, it jiggles, which is really hilarious. I found that very hilarious. I actually gave this figurine to my girlfriend and she loves it. So there's that. At least someone enjoyed it for my misfortune. But guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please let me know down in the description below, or actually in the comments below, what you guys thought of the figurines, and let me know if you guys have any interest in figurines, and if you do, please shoot some at me. That way I can check them out for you, so you guys don't have to. And if there's any fake websites out there that you guys mentioned down in the comments below, please let me know. I'll check them out and see if they are fake or not. I'll do some research. Some of them are pretty obvious, but there is a website where you can check if figurines are fake or not. So I'll put that in the description, or in the description below as well. But thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.